definitely a better stone than the last time we fought them in that war game.
So who's my
Sorry, we're
more
going.
dedicated healer, Bing or Lith?
Lith is.
Okay, gotcha.
The heart. It goes to my heart.
Oh my god.
Purple. I'm fucking colorblind. I can't see that purple.
We're actually kind of fighting Umbra. Really bad here.
We're fucking them up. I think we're fucking them up, dude.
Whoa, guys, don't get too excited yet. It's the beginning.
Fucking throw.
Could be just a confidence booster for them.
Little bait and switch. I don't think so, bro. Like, when we fought them in the stone, they were fucking getting my 10 gears. This is what they got.
Man, they chose this fight, so
They need a fucking morale boost. Yeah, because they fucking whooped our ass in the thing. In that war game.
Oh, I think was it a war game?
That was a war game. I mean, I think we probably lost to them at something else before, but
Yeah,
the last time we fought it was a war game.
We lost the
wasn't-
Pakilo
Yeah.
DBG boss.
I hated that boss. I hated that. It just kept pushing me off the cliff.
Oh, I wasn't here for that one. That's when I remember that one. Yeah, bro, we're fucking them.
Surely it's a numbers game. It feels like they don't have people here.
I'm not even gonna turn on the fucking comms because I'm just gonna hear Cal going, Cal on fucking code right now. Like, it's not even gonna be helpful. Let me start recording that.
I just remember recording the good fights.
Just try not to stand in the middle if you're going to this choke.
Yeah, don't give him any free shit. Don't even go to the choke. Don't get thirsty. Just keep doing that. Don't give him any free shit. Yeah, treat them the same way they treated us in that fucking war game.
Hold on, let me get some of my cereal.
What is this? I don't think I was at that war game you were talking about.
It was the one with the Manticus, one. You gotta go up the ramp. You don't remember that? You weren't here for that?
I don't know if I don't remember if I was. I know I missed a war game. The one where he got mad about us not being there.
I think it was that one. No. Maybe it was that one. Because I think I joined the random party for that one.
I know I filled for bomber squad.
That's what it is, man. We have a party.
Yeah, I mean I prefer to just do it for a party.
Yeah, that's what we're winning with.
Yeah, they're pushing now.
What the fuck? Fucking first bomb?
I have no idea. A Ravager killed me?
Were you near me? Or you were like, were you in the middle? Or you were
In full health.
Yeah, full health.
That was weird.
The thing is, like, I'll start cleansing you if I see a bunch of curses.
No, whenever, ever since I see
Yeah.
Skip does it, I always cleanse that.
But I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that happening to you.
Oh, they're trying to cap it. I mean, do we care?
Yeah, so do not, don't give him. Proof up yours.
Oh my god, why are there so many on the stone? Oh, there's so many behind us.
That's right, I feel like we're thrown. We're fucking thrown.
That's what I'm wondering, like, you you not care about the stone?
People are fucking brawling out over there. Eating shit.
Yeah, okay. I feel like it's just
Yeah.
us in here.
They gave him the fucking stone.
Most of our guild is dead. Most of our guild is dead.
Oh, okay.
Don't play too close to the stone. We can't hold that.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
We gotta play closer to the stairs where the guild will come from.
I'm having a hard time at least here right
Yeah, I am getting targets, but
I'm not sure what I'm waiting for. Just like a bigger regroup, or are we just trickling in?
now. Like, should we just back out? Or are we like, is this pointless over there?
No, we're fine, we're fine, we're
we
fine.
play this side.
We're coming back. We're coming back.
We stay in the zone. We just don't need to go to the stone.
Oh, okay, because we're preventing them from capturing.
Yeah, we have tank 2 groups that are doing that.
Okay.
Oh, they haven't capped yet, right? They haven't capped?
Yeah, no, we still have the stone.
I barely understand that fucking UI, to be honest.
Oh my gosh.
Why, dude? Why?
Shit.
No. We're good, holding strong.
Yeah, okay, I think we're getting back.
Yeah, if you don't have a target, I'm always selecting.
There's so much shit going on my screen. That is wild.
Well, at least. Fight.
Or you want to pass me lead so I can mark targets for me and Tao to focus?
Yeah, sure.
I'm about to pop skull. Tao, if you want to fireball him? I'm just gonna fireball him. Fireball him if you can.
Think of that, as long as we stay kind of close to each other, we always.
Good job, good job, good job.
The Seekers, bro, we're so fucking strong.
Yeah,
Right
yeah,
here.
yeah.
But I'm talking to
Right here, let's
Smash,
go.
I'm talking to
Let's
you
go,
in
let's
China, but
Yeah,
we still gotta lead.
I'm just spamming healing touch on Tao Tao.
Fireball him? Oh, he just cleansed, you're good. Up and damage boost.
Yeah, I'm
Nice
saving my
jump.
blitz for the first.
The real G, right side.
Oh,
Boom! Off the
oh
death.
my gosh, I'm knocked out for eternity.
Okay,
Back up.
Guardians. No.
Oh.
I'm about to get the Tao, you should be good. Live, brother!
Okay, you're good, you're good, you're good.
We still have the numbers. We still have the numbers in the spot. Just come back as quickly as we can.
We'll try to get you left. Okay.
And Yui?
God, that stops.
Beta, let's go.
We're gonna get a few to a little corner here, so we're a little bit off the main center ball.
For Drake, almost for Drake, left the left side. Like 4 seconds for my damage.
Just save my bullets for when they try to throw something.
Is Pure Light held the
Going hard on Skippy.
Dead here. Dude, he's got so much healing, that's crazy. You see his health bar? Fuck, that's wild.
I mean, dude, you don't have healing cut on him.
we're looking towards front four.
Holy shit, I just got bounced up like 3 times in a row.
I'm gonna go for it anymore. Fucking, he's too strong.
Yeah, that's good.
Pumping Guardian just to be extra safe right now. 9 minutes, we'll be up again. The end of it.
I still do have my Guardian, so someone gets these.
Save your Guardian just in case it gets bad at some point.
Yeah.
Let's go. Stein, right side of zone. Doing damage
No
now.
reason. There could be no reason why we start losing this, but
Oh
Um,
no,
I have to like just get pushed off. That's
no.
Oh no, I'm gone too.
They push me off, these fuckers.
Are they is that what they're doing? They're hooking to push you guys off.
You have to wait till they fucking run back, dude.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
God damn it. Don't die on us.
Should have fireball on Stein.
Oh, it just means mean town smash.
Should die here, should die. Oh my god, how did he just go full health?
How do you baited me? That was not effective.
Wait, what did you do? What did I do?
That same little parkour that you did, I'm like, but I'm like, yeah, I could have just gone around.
No, I was wondering if I could jump the branch there, but I couldn't.
Yeah, no, I had the same second thought. I'm like, go.
I cannot stop.
Tornado, bro. These guys love tornado.
Yeah, they freaking they love killing dude.
Watch out, they're outnumbering us.
Yeah, it's getting ugly here. At the stone. Yeah, I don't really want to play off on that flip smash.
Okay. Yep, and I just get pulled. You were right.
Yeah, dude.
No!
I'm gonna roll my way.
Dude, I seen them, dude. They're trying to pull you guys up.
Yeah, they're throwing us off quite a lot.
Yeah, that's what their plan is.
Yeah, it's just us.
Yeah.
Ah, dang it.
Yeah, we'll start losing if that happens a lot because our guild is not good at doing that.
Oh, they're big grouped.
Yeah, try to stay away from the fucking cliff.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other side. Smash.
This looks good if we can get a few kills. We'll be in a
You're
good spot.
blessed. You're good. You're good. They're kind of fucking stacked a bit on you.
Yeah, I'll currently watch Smash here too. That's how Dog gets back.
Go away. Yeah, play on the opposite side. Play in this little corner. Fucking weasels.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting hooked. Okay. How many tornadoes do they have?
Okay, they're just trying to interrupt us at this point. I don't think they know they can't win the brawl.
I mean, the fact that they're trying to knock us off just shows that they
Yeah. We need this fucking moral victory, bro.
Yeah.
Shake this.
We don't have anything going on after this, right? Why not really?
Into server if we win this.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah, and then
Yeah, today's Saturday.
Damn, I gotta fucking run. I wanna stay there.
It should be an interesting one. It might be an easy one, like the dentist. We'll see.
Hopefully it doesn't take forever.
I mean, at most it's like 20 minutes, right?
We got 4 more minutes of this.
Then you get 10 minutes of waiting too. So
Oh, because it's at 9:30?
yeah, 15 minutes from now, assuming we win. So I'm in a different time zone. So
We're putting that bad juice on the wall. We're winning.
man, this is it's very interesting.
I might not be able to move that into server. I think I'm living with my family right now.
We're losing right now a little bit.
Oh, I'm starting to.
Yeah, be careful over there. We're being outnumbered. Don't be stuck in the corner.
Yeah,
Nope.
that's a good idea.
If anything, play to the side. Side toward side 3.
Oh, hard.
Ouch.
Yeah, they got like a strong push right now.
I like the kill feed.
He's seeing the shit out of me right now. I think so. Get it. Do it.
Good fireball and skull. Oh, it's so low.
Nice.
My coins is on cooldown.
Expect a bunch of them.
This is a good fight.
Go right side, pretty low, pretty low. Nice, good job. Savi, right side. On the wall. Still on the wall. Backside stone.
Use your guardian, I would say, like.
I don't have it.
Can you
Lost on the wall, on the wall.
Yeah, Bing, you want to use your guardian like,
Wait.
like when there's 30
Aerith,
seconds left.
Aerith.
3 seconds? Oh, yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, yeah.
Good
to the
fireball
left.
on Aerith.
Mine, I have a minute left. Like, that should have been good earlier.
Yeah, I'll wait till like
I
30
think
seconds.
we probably won't need it, but you can even use it now. You can use it a little bit earlier to guarantee this hold right now.
Yeah, let me wait
Yeah, you can
5
just use it
seconds.
anymore.
Get my cooldowns up.
So we can cleanse everybody here. Yeah, everybody's getting deep up.
Have a damage boost.
Yeah, I just used it.
Double fucking clay here. Wow. These deep up coming. That's not bad.
No, yes. I was trying to do so many people. No, don't die.
Right now it's so much fucking shit.
Holy crap, dude. There's just so much.
So much shit going on in this
Oh,
thing.
we won.
That was good. That was a good fight, man. Tao, you die out.